Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain my project motion detection system using Arduino and PIR sensor. This system automatically detects human movement and gives an alert using LED and buzzer. Here, we have Arduino UNO, which is the brain of the system. A PIR motion sensor is connected to detect human movement. The buzzer produces sound, acting as an alarm or alert. Resistor prevents LED damage due to excess current. Typical value used 220 ohms or 330 ohms. The LED is used as a visual indicator. The breadboard is used to connect all components without soldering. Observe how I have connected the wires and connect yours in the same way. I assigned green color for LED 1 and red color for LED 2. Resistor 1 has a resistance value of 330 ohms and resistor 2 also has a resistance value of 330 ohms. First, click the code block section. Then click Create Variable and create a new variable. The new variable name is PIR sensor and click OK. Next, drag the set block from the variables section to the workspace. This set block will be used to store the sensor value. Now click on the input block. Select Read Analog pin and connect it to the set block. Replace the value 0 with analog pin A0. After that, go to the output section. Drag the print to serial monitor block and place it in the workspace. Inside the print block, remove Hello World, then drag the PIR sensor variable and place it there instead. Next, click on the control block. Drag the if-else block and place it below the print block. Now go to the math block. Select the less than block and place it inside the if condition. Go to the output block section. Drag the set pin block and place it inside the if condition workspace. Now place the 3 set pin blocks inside the if condition, then copy the same 3 set pin blocks and place them inside the else condition working space. Next, go to the if condition. Change the value 100 and change the comparison symbol to greater than or equal to. Set the pin numbers as 7, 6, and 10 in the if condition. Use the same pin numbers 7, 6, and 10 in the else condition also. Now assign the pin values. In the if condition, pin values low, high, and high. In the else condition, pin values high, low, and low. Finally, click on Start Simulation to run the program and check the output. Green LED means object detected, and red LED means no object detected. The output of the program is displayed in the serial monitor. The serial monitor shows the values received from the PIR sensor in real time. This helps us to check whether the sensor is working properly or not. When we click the second block, the actual program code is displayed. This option allows us to understand how the block program is converted into coding. Thank you for watching my video.